Hello friends, in this video you will learn about operators in JS. This is continuation of operators in JS. See, in this video we will discuss about two topics. First one is comparison operators, second one is logical operators. What are the comparison operators? See, here is the list. Equal equal, triple equal, not equal equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, and ternary operators or comparison operators. Next topic is logical operators. And this is logical and, logical or, logical and logical not is logical operators. See how these operators are working in JS with this HTML. See, this HTML is there. In this HTML, script is there. JavaScript.js file is linked with this HTML. You will get the idea about these operators with this JS file. See, first we will discuss about comparison operators. Comparison operators. We create the variables A and B. See, give the values to the, assign the values. A equal to 1. It is number. B equal to 1. This is string. Then we'll get the idea about comparison operators with these two variables. Document not get id by get element by id. See, we are going to access this P paragraph with id 001. See here id 001. This to write the content with the inner HTML. We'll check one by one operators, comparison operators with here. First, A equal to B. Then this is true because the values of 1 and 1 is equal. Then that time this returns the true. Then next operator is triple equal. Triple equal is false. Why? Because A values are equal but types are different because this is number and this one is string. Both types are different. Then the result is false. Next one, not equal. This is false. Why? Because both values are equal. That's why this not equal is false. Check. Not equal. This is true. Why? Because the types are different. Then the time not equal A not equal B is true. Next, less than. False. Why? Because both values are 1. A not less than the B. So it is false. Check less than or equal. True. Why? Because 1 equal to 1 is true. Then check next one is greater than. This is false. Both values are equal. Then check greater than or equal. Greater than or equal is true because 1 is greater than or equal B. So nothing but 1. The next ternary. This is a ternary operator. False, true. Returns true. See, A equal to triple equal to B is false. So this time this ternary will send this part, true part. This is false. So this second part will be sended. That's why this is true. If it is this condition is true, then this part will be sended this place like false. This is about comparison operators. Comes to the next one. Next topic, logical operators. Logical operators. Take this part. We'll see A and B. This is 1. Why? Because A is 1, B is 1. Both are 1s, and says if both are 1s, then only it is results the 1. Otherwise it results the 0. See, make the B 0. Result is 0. Because any 1 is 0, it is 0. When the both values are 1s, then only its value is 1. Then check about OR operators, logical OR. See, this value is 1 because any value A or B, any value is 1, then the result is 1. See, make it B 0. This is 1. A's value is 1, B this is 0. But any 1 is 1, then the result is 1. The next one is not equal. C. Not equal. A is equal to B. This is false. Make it one more equal. This is true. Why? Because A triple equal B is false. Because values are same but types are different. Then this value is false. But the logical NOT operator make it true. With this logical NOT operator, this value is true. This is about comparison and logical operators in JS. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.